As COVID cases soar, healthcare workers are working longer and more demanding shifts. Some may be even getting emotionally and physically worn out. That's why one group of volunteers is doing their part to try and help out. CBS 4's Dylan Thomas joining us live tonight in Windsor. Dylan, small acts of kindness really do go a long way right now.
Yeah, Kelly, it's that mentality that really encouraged some volunteers today to go out with chalk and window paint to local UC Health facilities here in northern Colorado. They say it's positive affirmation and words of gratitude that can really help our first responders fight COVID with us.
In the early hours of Saturday morning,
it's a little thing, but it makes a big difference.
A group of volunteers converged at UC Health's Poudre Valley Hospital in Fort Collins, not for medical help, but simply as a way to show their gratitude.
What they do day in and day out is incredible.
It's no secret.
Over the last many months, weeks, our COVID numbers have continued to surge, our hospitalizations have gone up.
So naturally,
it's fair to say that everybody's very tired and exhausted with this pandemic battle.
They're more anxious than before the pandemic started.
But their services are needed more now than ever before. So the volunteers are expressing their gratitude on the path into work for those on the front line.
Lots of messages of hope, of encouragement.
For the hospital workers,
they mentioned to me specifically that they feel supported, and that's what's really, really important right now as we deal with this pandemic.
It's a little gesture, it's a little thing, but I think for our healthcare staff, when they're walking into the building and they see a word of encouragement, it really kind of sets the tone for them going into that shift, knowing that people care about them, people do support them, people are thinking about them and making sure that, you know, we want them to be safe too.
We definitely do. Now, Kelly, not everybody can just come and tag up the buildings and the sidewalks. This was an organized event. So if you would like to still share your words of affirmation, you can visit cbsdenver.com. We've provided a link on how you can actually send an email to these staff so they know that you appreciate them as well. We're live tonight in Windsor. Dylan Thomas covering Colorado First.